In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually see your password in Roblox. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your settings. Go to the search bar and search up passwords. You're going to click on the one that says passwords. For this one, it's my second option. That's really all there is to it to actually find your passwords. You're just going to click on the Roblox password if it is saved. As you can see, I have my password saved, and you're just going to view it from here. The second option is to go on to your Roblox and actually click your profile picture and, click on the three dots and go to log out, and then you'll be able to click on forgot password. The third way to actually see your password is to go onto your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using. In my case, it is Google Chrome, and I'm going to click on my profile picture and click on Password Manager. Then I can click on my saved passwords that are on my account. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.